Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Battlefront 2 error code 721. You may have came across an error that looks like this, error code 721. Let me show you ways that you can fix this. First, open your browser and then go to ea.com. Go to the server site whereby you can have to see which servers are up. So scroll down to Battlefront. As you can see, the servers are up. Sometimes the servers could be down and then that can cause a problem that you cannot connect to the game. So make sure you come and check here to see if the servers are up, and if so, you're good to go. And then if still facing the same error, just open your game and then go and connect and spam as much as you can. Keep on connecting up until you find a connection. Just keep on spamming the connect button, it will work.